Okay, we're starting out at the current unit of study station for this week. Here is how to do this activity. You have two choices, bonds 5 to 10 and bonds that go from 11 to 20. In here you'll find anything from the numbers 5 all the way up to 10. And in here, you'll find bonds that go up to 20. So 16, 15, and so on. All right, here's how you play. I'm going to start with a bond of 10. 10 is my whole number. Down here, I'm going to create any number from 0 all the way to 10. And I can choose any number I want. I could do 1, then go 5, then go 7, maybe put a 0, and a 9, and I also like the number 3. Doesn't matter as long as it's less than this number. Then put your spinner on top and you spin. Now, the whole is going to be 10. So, on my board where it says whole, I know I'm starting with 10. And you have some chips here, so you can count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, starting out with 10, because that's my whole. That's what it says on the paper. I spun for a part. I landed on 9. So now I know that part of this is going to be 9. I have to figure out what the other part of 10 is. So if I don't know how to do this, if I don't know what the answer is, I could take 9 of these, slide them over here to the 9 part, and that means my other part goes up here. So what math sentence can we make from this? Well, we could make 4 math sentences. I think you know that from our group. We've got 1 plus 9 equals 10. Or I could go this way, 9 plus 1 equals 10. And remember, we started with 9 and we took away, we started with 10 and we took away 9. So we've got 10 take away 9 equals 1. Or I could go the other way. I could say 10 take away 1. 10 take away 1 equals 9. And I've completed my paper. Now I can take a screenshot of this showing all of the work that I did and then submit that on Seesaw. When you're all finished, take your eraser and of course erase your board. I can't do it with one hand, but erase everything. Now you don't need to get a new paper unless you want to. You can spin again, and get a new part. So now I've got 10 as my whole. 1 second, I gotta erase. So again, I've got 10 as my whole. This time I have 3 as my part, and I have to figure out what my other part is. So then you just repeat the process. You don't have to take a screenshot every time for Seesaw, but it might be nice to do one just to show me that you're understanding the job. And you don't need to watch this video every day. This is just a one time to learn how to do the video. And then after that, you just go about your business. All right, stay focused the whole time. You're not playing with friends. Your job is to be working on number bonds and fact families.